Hi everyone. Today I want to share some important ideas that will change how you think about and interact with women. This information could really help you in your dating life, so let's get started. Many men have a big misunderstanding about attraction. This misunderstanding can lead to confusion and frustration when it comes to dating. You might feel like you're trying hard to impress women, but nothing seems to work. You may even wonder why some guys seem to have all the luck with women while you struggle. It's completely normal to feel this way, and you're definitely not alone in this experience. If you don't understand this key idea, you might keep making the same mistakes and find it hard to connect with women. But once you get it, everything can change for you. You will start to see things in a new light and find it easier to attract the right people into your life. The misconception about attraction. The main problem is that many men believe women are attracted to the same things that attract men. This is a common mistake. Many think that if they look good, act confident and show off their things, like a nice car or a good job, women will want to be with them. They assume that because they find certain traits attractive in women, women should feel the same way about men. However, that's not how it works. Let's break this down a bit more. Historical context of attraction. For a long time, men and women had different roles in society, and these roles helped shape what each gender finds attractive. Historically, men were the hunters and protectors, while women took on nurturing roles, caring for children and managing the home. These roles influenced how men and women view relationships and attraction today. Men needed to be strong and brave to survive in the past, often facing dangers while hunting or protecting their families. This need for strength and bravery is still present in how women view potential partners. Women often look for men who can provide safety and support, and this instinct has not changed over time. They want to feel secure with someone who can handle challenges and take care of them and their future children. The role of physical attraction. Now let's talk about physical attraction. Men are usually drawn to physical beauty, which signals health and youth. When a man sees an attractive woman, his instinctual response is to think she is capable of having healthy children. This is a natural reaction that goes back to our evolutionary past. However, while men often focus on looks, women think differently. For women, attraction is not just about looks. They ask themselves important questions. Is he strong? Can he provide for me and my family? Is he trustworthy? These questions show that women are looking for deeper qualities in a partner. They want someone who can face challenges and be a dependable partner. Qualities women seek. For example, when a woman meets a man, she might consider not only how he looks but also how he interacts with others. Does he treat people well? Is he respectful? How does he handle difficult situations? A man who is kind to waitstaff or helps others in need shows qualities of empathy and respect, which can be very attractive to women. It's crucial to recognize that what women are attracted to goes beyond just surface-level features. They care about who a man is, his character, values, and how he makes her feel. A man who is confident, kind, and genuine will always be more appealing than someone who only focuses on looks or money. Common mistakes men make. This leads us to a common mistake many men make. They often think that being nice, showing off, or trying to impress women with their wealth will win them over. But this way of thinking is based on a misunderstanding of what women really want. When men believe that women seek the same things they do, they miss the point entirely. This is where the idea of projection comes into play. Projection is a psychological term that means assuming others feel the same way you do. Men often project their own desires onto women, thinking that if they find women attractive based on looks, then women should feel the same way about men. While physical appearance does matter to some extent, it is not the main reason women feel attracted to men. The importance of character and personality. What truly draws women in is a man's character and personality. A man who is determined, confident, and has a strong presence will attract more interest than someone who relies solely on looks or wealth. This explains why many wealthy men seek dating advice. Despite their success, they often find it hard to connect with women on a deeper level. Money and possessions can grab attention, but they don't create real connections or lasting relationships. For example, a man might have a luxurious lifestyle, but if he lacks the ability to connect emotionally or communicate effectively, he may struggle to maintain a meaningful relationship. Emotional intelligence in attraction. Attraction is fundamentally about who you are as a person, not what you own. Women are instinctively drawn to men who show strength and confidence, but also emotional intelligence. This involves being aware of your own feelings and the feelings of others, which can foster deeper connections. Building emotional connections. Furthermore, women value honesty and emotional depth. They appreciate men who can communicate well, express their feelings, and engage in meaningful conversations. A man who knows his worth, has clear goals, and stands by his beliefs will naturally attract women. It's about being genuine and authentic. To build this emotional connection, consider sharing your own experiences and feelings. For instance, if you have faced challenges in your life, discussing how you overcame them can show vulnerability and strength at the same time. This kind of openness can foster trust and intimacy. Becoming the kind of man. Women are attracted to. Now, you might wonder how to become that kind of man. Start by focusing on self-improvement. Work on building your confidence through activities that challenge you, like sports, learning new skills, or pursuing hobbies you are passionate about. Surround yourself with positive influences and learn to express yourself openly. For instance, if you enjoy painting or playing music, dedicate time to developing those skills. Not only will this make you feel good about yourself, but it will also give you interesting things to talk about with others. Engaging in activities that you love can also make you more interesting and well-rounded as a person. Practicing active listening. Practice being present in conversations. Show genuine interest in what women say and ask questions that help you understand them better. This will help you build deeper connections. For example, instead of just talking about yourself, ask her about her interests, dreams, and experiences. When you listen actively, it shows that you value her thoughts and feelings, which can create a stronger bond. Techniques for active listening. Use open-ended questions to encourage conversation. For instance, instead of asking, "Did you like the movie?" you could ask, "What did you think of the movie? What stood out to you?" This invites her to share her thoughts in more depth. Additionally, nodding, maintaining eye contact, and responding with follow-up questions can show that you're genuinely engaged in the conversation. Prioritizing self-care. Another important aspect is self-care. Taking care of your physical health through exercise, a balanced diet, and proper grooming can boost your confidence and make you feel better about yourself. When you feel good on the inside, it shows on the outside, and that positive energy can attract others. Consider setting up a regular workout routine, trying new healthy recipes, or even practicing mindfulness to help reduce stress. Mindfulness techniques, such as meditation or deep breathing, can improve your overall well-being and help you remain calm in social situations. Grooming and presentation. Additionally, prioritize your grooming and personal hygiene. Simple things like maintaining a neat hairstyle, dressing well, and keeping your nails clean can make a big difference in how others perceive you. Choose clothes that fit well and reflect your personal style, as this can enhance your confidence and make you feel more attractive. Improving social skills. Now, let's talk about improving your social skills. Join clubs, attend events, or participate in group activities where you can meet new people. The more you practice socializing, the more comfortable and confident you will become. This will help you connect with women in a more natural and relaxed way. For instance, if you enjoy sports, consider joining a local team or a recreational league. This not only helps you meet new people, but also allows you to bond over shared interests. Participating in activities that you enjoy will also give you a chance to meet women in a more casual and fun environment. Building a support network. Building a strong support network is also essential. Surround yourself with friends who encourage and uplift you. Having a solid support system can enhance your confidence and help you navigate the ups and downs of dating. Friends can provide valuable feedback and might even introduce you to new people, expanding your social circle. You might also consider joining online communities or forums related to your interests, where you can meet like-minded individuals. Engaging with others who share your passions can foster new friendships and connections, making it easier to meet women with similar interests. Maintaining a positive attitude. Another key point is to maintain a positive attitude. Having a positive outlook on life can make you more attractive to others. When you approach situations with optimism and enthusiasm, people naturally want to be around you. This doesn't mean you should ignore challenges or struggles. It just means you choose to focus on solutions and growth instead of dwelling on negativity. For example, if you face a setback in your career or personal life, try to find lessons in the experience that can help you grow and improve in the future. Encouraging positivity. You can also practice gratitude by reflecting on the positive aspects of your life regularly. Keeping a gratitude journal where you write down things you are thankful for each day can help shift your mindset to a more positive one. This practice can enhance your overall well-being and make you more appealing to others. Practicing patience and self-compassion. It's also important to be patient with yourself. Building confidence and improving your dating skills takes time. Don't rush the process or get discouraged by setbacks. Celebrate small victories along the way, whether it's making a new friend, having a great conversation, or simply feeling good about yourself. Each step forward is progress. Consider keeping a journal where you can reflect on your experiences and track your growth. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can help you gain perspective and recognize your progress over time. Seeking feedback and learning. Additionally, seek feedback from friends or mentors who can provide constructive criticism. Having an outside perspective can help you identify areas for improvement that you may not have noticed yourself. Be open to learning and adapting your approach based on this feedback, as it can lead to personal growth and better interactions with women. In conclusion, many men struggle to attract women because they don't see these important differences. By understanding that women are not attracted to the same things men are, you can approach dating with fresh eyes. This understanding will help you connect with women on a deeper level, leading to more genuine relationships. Embrace this knowledge, and you'll find that attraction is less about superficial qualities and more about real connections. When you show the traits that women are drawn to, confidence, strength, and being genuine, you'll attract the right partners into your life. Thank you for watching. I hope you found these ideas helpful. Until next time, take care.